y'all, hey, my name is Shani B. I want to thank you for clicking on this video over here. You know what I'm saying, chilling with Shani B or whatever. I teach you guys different tricks of starting a lash or hair business, a jewelry business, or just about any e-commerce business. Plug it in, okay? Plug it in. I also talk a lot about the mindset you need to have to be in business. So if those are the things that you're interested in, y'all, and I'm funny, or I think I'm funny, I'm your girl, okay? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become part of the family. Let me see your journey. Let me see your process, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the video. Yeah. Okay, so today's topic is 5 things you need to do to start your lash business. Now this video is really just for lash business owners for the most part, okay? But 5 things you need to think about when starting your lash business. So the first thing is who you're selling to. I talk a lot about target audience because it means a lot. Like, you would not understand until you start getting into the marketing aspect of things.
What a money reside,
How important it is to know your target audience, y'all. Like, you have to know who you're selling to.
That's on who? Man had a little lamb.
What do they look like? How old are they? How do they dress? Who do they listen to? Where they stay at? How they coin set up? You know what I'm saying? You got to know all of those things before moving on in this video, because if you don't know who you selling to, or you don't have a specific set of people that you're selling to, you setting yourself up to fail. You can't sell to everybody, okay? So you got to narrow it down. For this video purpose, we are going to be saying we're selling to 13 to 18-year-old high school girls, okay? So we're going to be selling lashes in this video to 13, 18-year-old high school girls, okay? Which you'll understand why I'm picking a target audience for this video as the video goes on. Okay, so the second thing you need to figure out is which type of lashes that you want to sell. I sell 100% mink lashes, okay? They're really fluffy, like they really lightweight, and it's kind of like the style that everybody is going for right now. It gives you the natural style of, like, it looks like you went and got them done, but you really didn't. But there are different types of lashes. We have silk lashes, which have for some reason become very popular with a lot of these vendors.
Everybody want to scam now. This ain't got no job. It's like a slick recession out here again. You feel?
And how they be trying to play people ordering lashes. So when it comes to silk lashes, they are really, really silky looking. Bruh. That sounds stupid. But they have like this really thick, like, coating over them, aka hair store lashes, okay? So you have silk lashes, and you have false mink lashes, and then you got mink lashes like the ones I have on. You also have human hair, which I want to pick up a couple of these just to show you guys. You also have human hair lashes, okay? So depending on your target audience and who you're trying to sell to and who you're marketing to, there's a lot of noise, and who you're marketing to depends on which style of lash you are going to purchase. Remember, in this video, we are marketing to 13 to 18-year-olds. They want mink lashes. They want to look like they want to got their lashes done, knowing dang on well they way too young to be in somebody's chair getting their lashes done, okay? Remember that. The next thing we have to figure out is which style of lashes you're going to choose. So yeah, this is a whole mind-bothering thing when people are choosing lashes. Definitely, like, when they order from my company, I be like, why did you choose 2 of the same type of lashes? But y'all, let me explain to you exactly what I mean. So there are multiple types of lashes when it comes to do you want a natural look? Do you want something that flares a lot? Do you want something that's super thick? Like, what is the look that you're going for? And you have to think about that. For our girls that we targeting in this video, 13 to 18-year-olds, I would personally go for 3 different types. I would have an everyday look, which is more so on the natural side. Might have a little bit of flair to it, you know, but it's thin. It's real thin. It looks cute on her every day. Makeup, no makeup. Then I would do a in-between style. It's not all the way out there. Something like what I have on now. It's not all the way out there, but I see you. Like, girl, I see you, okay? And then the third one would be a full, dramatic, voluptuous, you know what I'm saying? Thick look for, who knows? Maybe she going to a house party. Maybe her mama letting her, you know what I'm saying? Go to a teen club. That type of look. They're mimicking things they see off of social media. So those 3 categories would be a great thing to think about when purchasing your lashes. You need a natural one so you can meet your naturals. You need a medium one so you can meet the extra everyday person. And then you need a full-blown, bam, I'm going out look, okay? All right, y'all, so number 3. I get this question so much. Like, it's so funny.
How many lash styles should you start with?
I personally would say start with about 6 styles. So going back to the previous thing of having the 3 different categories, natural, like something like a little everyday look, and your nighttime look, which is your big voluptuous lash, right? I say start out with those 3 base categories and then get 2 styles that fall into each category. If you're working with a smaller budget and you can afford to do 6 different styles depending on what the minimum is per your vendor, I recommend making sure you definitely have 2. You want to give people options. Too many options is confusing. Not enough options, you ain't getting no sales, okay? So you have to make sure 2 at minimum. If I only was doing 2 styles, I definitely would do a natural look and a going out look, because those are kind of the 2 different customers that you have when you're doing hand-to-hand sales. So the everyday girl, she'll probably be a loyal customer because, you know, she switches her lashes out every week. And then you'll have loyal customers for the people who just want to get a thick lashes, get a party lashes because they going out for the weekend, okay? Those are the 2 different categories. For this customer that we have made up, who is between the ages of 13 to 18, we would do about an 18 mm natural lash, and it will have a little bit fuller, okay? I don't know, I would probably still give them the 3 options, but I definitely would have a natural lash for them, an everyday lash their parents don't mind them wearing, and a lash when they going out with their little homegirls or whatever, okay? All right, so if y'all feel like I'm rushing through this stuff, leave a comment down below and let me know what you would like for me to talk about in more detail, and I will be happy to do so. Also, if you liked the video so far, make sure you go ahead and like this video, okay? So you can put this video in front of other lash entrepreneurs, lashpreneurs, okay? Do that. Help me out. That's free, okay? So the last thing we're going to talk about is contacting the plug. Contacting the vendor, okay? There are things y'all need to know before you contact your vendor. You need to know the style. You need to know the correct jargon. Look, I was about to say it wrong, trying to be all fancy. You need to know the right language to say to these folks, okay? Because depending on what you say will definitely depend on the quality of lashes you get. When contacting a vendor, you always want to keep in mind that, hey, I'm going to tell you exactly what I want. This is what I want. I don't want nothing else. I don't want no other foolishness. Questions you need to know, honestly, is how much is it to purchase in wholesale? What's your minimum quantity to purchase in wholesale? How long or who do you ship with? Because that makes a big difference, definitely in this pandemic right now. And you need to ask them how long they have been in business. Now, that last one, how long have you been in business? That makes a big difference. Because if this company, not saying that they may not have the best products, but if they've only been in business for under like 2 or 3 years, yes, we want to help even the small businesses in China. But just know something, whether it's customer service, whether it's product, whether it's like service time, something just might be lacking, okay? Or you might struck gold and hit it like the best up and coming lash vendor. But definitely, ask that question. All right, y'all, so that's it for this video. I'm trying to keep these videos real short for you guys and get directly to the point. If you guys want me to go in detail about any of the topics that I discussed, just leave a comment down below. If you like this video, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you liked about it. Let me know how or like where you are in the process, if you're just getting started or if you're still in the thinking process, okay? And of course, I own a lash company and I make it really affordable for you to get into this game, okay? Like really affordable. You could start with $20 for 5 pair of lashes, or you can go ahead and get the wholesale package, which starts at $50 right now. But either way, y'all, I'm still gonna keep giving y'all this free game because I want y'all to be able to start your business the best way possible and learn from some of the mistakes that a lot of us had to go through in this business game, okay? Make sure you share this video or you give it a thumbs up so other people can see it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.